Hi friend, it's me Ashish from Nepal, and I am doing the project on the Angular 5 and the Laravel. It's the app about the code, create, read, update and delete. There are a lot of projects that you can find on the internet through the YouTube. Yes, I too learn through the YouTube. But what is the thing that I want to show you that doing differently on different component like in the YouTube video I have seen about the using the same components for every task like add product and product list. There are different tasks, right? Product list where the list of the items are shown, and the add product where the items are being added to the list. Yes, so what in this way if you do, then you can manage your project properly. Okay, there are two different tasks, so I have made two different components. Okay, you can see the code over here. Okay, look, you can see the code here, HTML code for the add product items only, and TypeScript related uh, with that add product course, and edit product, the HTML of the editing only, and similarly for TypeScript for editing only. And if you do in this way, then you can manage your code properly. And also I have used the input decorator over here. You can see the input decorator and output decorator that I have used on my project, right? Input and the output decorator over here. Just on my project I have used this lot of input output. Okay, this is the small project. Okay, on this you can see that there are two different items but sharing the data from one component to another component without refreshing or reloading the page. I have here a refresh button, but it is just useless over here because if you are working on different components and you are not passing the data by using the input or output decorator, then obviously you need this refresh button to reload or to recall the service again, right? So I have did this like in this way. Keyboard, okay, so keyboard is here 12, so it costs rupees 250 and submit it. So look, you can just you can see that the item is being added without reloading the or refreshing on the page. I am not calling the service again, just using the emitting on the submit, right? Emit on the submit, and product list is being updated automatically. It's all about the Angular, the magic of the Angular, you know that. So it's the it is the video that's for the basic learner. Okay, edit product, you can just edit the items. Keyboard, okay, simply I'll write mouse over here that costs 250 to other everything is same. So you can see the keyboard is replaced with the mouse. Okay, these two are different components, edit product and product list. They are binding by using the input and output decorator, right? So you can source the items, add the items, okay, add product. So edit the items, view the items that you want to view the details of any items, then you can view that. Okay, just delete the item that you want to delete. Okay, just refresh the page here. You can just refresh the page, but look here, the database is also being updated over here. No any changes on the database. Okay, everything is up to date, right? So this is the thing. And if you want the detail of the video, the code that I have write, and if you wish that if you get the code it will be helpful, then obviously I will make. Keep in touch with me, support this video. Thank you guys.